building our future, a university is what we need. But not just any university. Bicol University, a premier state university in the Bicol region founded on June 21, 1969 by Senator Dominador R. Aitona, Congressman Carlos R. Imperial, and Congressman Jose N. Alberto. Bicol University is more than just a university. It is inclined with the vision and mission of our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nevers III, as well as the university's core pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. It is a community of success-driven students and dedicated educators, where one's curiosity ignites creativity and critical thinking is nurtured. It isn't just a place where students are taught and guided. It is a place that is meant to bring out the best you. Behind the pressure and stress from academics, there's a beauty and vibrant momentous events for students to enjoy. One of which is the BU Hatang, a dance performed by first and second year students as they come together to cheer and witness their athletes for the BU Olympics. This is held every last week of October along with the other activities such as Zumba para sa komunidad, BU Fun Run, games represented by students from different campuses, and the most awaited BU Hatang. If you wish to expand your knowledge in the field of business and finance, Bicol University has the College of Business Economics and Management, also known as CBEM. CBEM has a prestige image offered by BU as it empowers students to develop skills and knowledge in business education. Dahil basta magaling sa CBEM nang galing.
So why BSBA Management?
Kasi maganda pakinggan.
Adik sa'yo.
Ate, management ba kayo? Oo naman. So why management? Kasi dito daw kami yayaman. Kakaiba talaga ang pag-iisip ng si Bemyans. Sana makahanap tayo ng matinong estudyante. It's me, again and again and again. So bakit management? Isang tanong, isang sagot.
Wala lang.
Wala to. Samahan niyo ako maganap sa kabila. Ay, ayun, mukhang matalino. Ate, management ka ba?
Yes po.
So why BSBA Management?
Actually, pinili ko lang siya because it's generalized. As simple as that. But you know what? I have no regrets at all. As a BSBA management student here in CBEM, I was introduced to a whole new experience and a whole different environment back from, compared to from back in high school. I've learned to be more independent, well-disciplined, and well adaptive to new opportunities and each new environment presented to me. So, I would like to advise aspiring BUeños to also choose BSBA management here in CBEM. After all, you know what they say, basta't magaling, sa CBEM nang galing.
This time, we have a volunteer to answer our questions. Upon one request, which is to keep his face hidden. What's your name and can you share some of your experiences as a CBEMian?
Ako to si Natoy.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
As a student at Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, I feel very grateful, especially with the help of my friends who made my college life exceptional. I also appreciate my teachers with their outstanding performance, as well as their unique teaching methods. So far, I'm looking forward for my next academic school years. That's all.
Upon choosing management as your major, how has it contributed to your goals?
I think upon being a management student, a valuable lesson I have learned is that despite the failures we may encounter in life, we can always stand up again. Kasi for me, when you're a management student, you'll start seeing failure as an opportunity for you to learn from your mistakes. Somehow, it teaches us to be risk takers as well as opportunity seekers. All students want straight unos, but as cringe as it may sound, we should bear in mind that our grades don't define us. We must always see ourselves not as what we are, but rather than as what we could be.
Can you share some of your memorable experiences as a student here in Bicol University?
Back when we were still freshmen, my blockmates and I got to experience using actual gym equipment during our PATFIT classes, which we never got to experience back in high school. As for a bittersweet moment naman, There are times na halos wala na kaming sleep just to prepare for tests and receipts, pero wala bokya pa rin. But I guess doon na lumalabas yung part na character and principles naman namin as individuals yung nasishape.
As students, we strive to learn and grow by developing skills that would be of value to society. We are guided by the values of our institution to become responsible, knowledgeable, and compassionate persons. The 4 pillars of Bicol University, scholarship, leadership, character, and service, guide us in realizing holistic growth and excellence. Knowledge pursuit, responsible leadership, integrity, and community service. In them, together, we find who we are, well-rounded individuals ready to make an impact on society.